umuno credit no. Because project no. Na a 40 interchange.
Yes.
Projection no say almost as almost 30 months, 2.5 years.
Okay.
In the baby.
Okay. That was the projection.
Yes. See a baby.
Yeah.
See I can't baby was me do.
Just
it's about half of the 30 months in Naka.
Gone.
And he say on the chassis say cry and then likely some bit me. Now the first 2 layers no a friend is saying maybe they could do the first 2.
The first 2.
Naka tier 3 and tier 4.
Okay.
So but you know say on the back the see you know near scaby and I'm say was a kwaje bisia nanke de be
yeah sure
bisia no na twitwi kakra mu twitwi ni say covid ni semba ye e ma sika sem ye to ba kakra ye ne IMF no ko hia ye no ho akohia say o man bia ho ni kasa no ho so this cano so on first cano nyama this is cano one ho afi no de be ma wa twi break
o twetwe ne ho
because say the see no na amanfo no bi aman no eno mo kasa ne bi susu say o this cano ma obi na wantimi antua the World Bank here o assessment wie no mo kase afi de ye ma clean bill of health obetimi atua ansana Samana this kind of bro.
Okay.
It is sanity.
I see. So are we going to see a better flyover now? A better 2 tier no first 2 no. A better flyover now.
Yeah, flyover is saying.
Say yeah 40 interchange.
Yes.
Now your first 2 no.
Yes.
The first 2 no, are we going to see a complete first 2 na better interchange near be sana last 2 na ba beto aso.
That's the point I'm making. Say 40.
Okay.
Because maybe I'm not part of the contracting firm.
Yeah, sure.
But I'm just saying, say, and I'm saying, oh yeah, 4 no. Normally, be over transfer be 2. So, and so now I 3rd and 4th years na come. Being so may decide to say obeying in album. So, say ne be ya, a binya a congruence. One way we na mistake be a
yeah.
Something like. Also, at the same time. I don't know their plan. Okay. I'm just saying, say, so meet me we be about the first 2 tiers, not the 3rd and the 4th.
So obviously you'll be leaving Swami with a lot of joy or smile on your face after 2024. So meet me your first 2 in the career.
Me just say, Penisi be my baby. I think. On balance, no make us say, yeah, family.
Okay.
You may not be able to attain 100%, or maybe even 90%. But kakra and mami so I have great joy in that.
Great joy.
Yes.
Enra near your program I say. In fact, you share the MC for Offenso South. You're Kingsley. And the companies in our say or buy and one to say yeah quite be on the honomo. In fact, he's been crying of rows upon rows. Ama nano crying the boys near demonstration moto to so born near there. Not just say na ya cry. Just say odi an kakre bi. And he's been complaining say maybe I don't know. Waman in Sasso because maybe I saw the community. And a lot of other communities also complain near Kwai. What is wrong with our roads? What is wrong with Ashanti Region and Yakwai?
Vilia, a quine day. A bang way by Yibi Pow. No Gusun so yibi. I'm saying so because you see, President Kufo.
Yes.
Or buy now the total road network and now woman na 39,000 kilometers.
Okay.
Kilometers. And Pim Ediasanko. President Kufo a free what trace him at the call 69,000.
69,000.
69,000.
Interesting. Over 30,000.
About 30,000 kilometers na kɔfɔ de ka ho. And okra sɛ dodoɔ no ana yɛ feeder routes. Na kwan ni bebree wɔ hɔ a ebi a yafa so akɔtwa timber. So ho ekokoro bi mu deɛ ba timber kwan yi di kɔ yɛ na bi yɛ maintain. Na bɛhwɛ na ɛhofu na ɛsɛe. And for time no wɔn sign every grade those roads. And I'm able to national road network. Because maintenance of those roads no abɛyɛ aban no. Asudi. And this is for buy no. Almost the bibeka. They increased the road network from 69,000 and they call 78,000.
I see.
So almost a day about 9,000 kilometers.
9,000, yes.
Ebeka. From 69 to 78,000. And ne aye kase aban we buy a kwano the odiaka ho se si aye kase no is about 103,000 kilometers.
Okay. 103,000
kilometers. The Kufadu aban and so the 25,000 kilometers na ka ho.
I see.
Si aban wa yebi. Pa. However, asama ne ye ken yayi. Asama ye ken yayi. Eye say abasa komo ani IMF ekoto ye no. Ne hu sunso aso bi ni say obi a obo wa bia no wa twene ho kakra. Oman mu afi bia ye budgeta. Sike fia ma no ne ebebo aye. About $3 billion.
Yeah.
Afi bia.
Yeah.
Nanu ya ye ko yi. Yeah, my about 3 billion.
3 billion, yeah.
And we over 3-year period. 3 billion na wunya na fibia. They say wunya 1 billion. Now only the $2 billion bit me aye. So the 1 billion po ye kwanya. Say na work ho asema.
Yeah.
It's over 10 billion. What you say?
Yeah, sure.
Say ye road contractors. Get yomoka about 10 billion.
Road contractors are more Ghana.
More Ghana.
Over 10 billion.
Yes.
Ghana cities.
Ghana cities.
Interesting.
Yes, can do. Think says no bar. On think stagnation can ho.
Yeah, na komo timi ato aso aye bi.
Nanka wotimi aye de omo ye no nanka.
Mo san de omo ka.
Mo san just say omo timi science.
Yeah, sure.
As I say bibia he stand still because scanner was en keba e maybe that's the bottom line.
But leader, you who some kind of a kakra. Yeah, ban say by elections are you who so mutumi ya kwan magic bi na kwan bi na ye guso na ye Kumawu for instance you who be. Aseno for instance you who be. Eno no mu just scan away.
Nti yenye by election bi brana.
Go ye by election bi edumi ya kwa.
Nti yenye by election.
Oh, by election said to me ya kwa magical rules be.
Let's be realistic. Yes. Say by election ban bi a wo. Na wo kwa ho kyerem. Wo kwa ho kyerem because expectations that wo constituency ho no very high. If you so by election by dey and me nyina so nyira ban no. Ye kwa na enye no meye mai. What you say?
Yes.
Do be hene was there oko block baby dey kakra. What they call baby. What you say? And that is what normally happens. But in regular times, they are not no any things, except that they say baby I be doing. And I'm problem is exaggerated. But we hope. So they say, Gina, ECC as a country.
Yeah.
Any IMF in Kitahudi no baby and America. None we are by for this year. Budget for 2023. Now buying a projection and say your GDP growth rate no yeah maswa could do by 1.5%.
Okay.
The good thing is that IMF for no buy na year review no. Yeah, who said this year we can grow by nyame ya about 3.5%.
Oh, I see.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yeah.
It may grow by 3.5%. What does it mean?
Yeah, kwenim.
Yeah, kwenim. You have additional space then
to
spend money. Let's just say, bit me mpuntudwuma yɛkɔ so a ayɛ stored no yɛtumi asan akɔhyɛ mu ebio. The good thing also is that IMF na ɔmo hyɛ yɛn sɛ yɛn sika yɛnya na ɔman no mu no domestic revenue yɛhwɛ sɛ bɛpɛgya mu nokwasɛm ne sɛ ɛno nso nyame ayɛ adom ama yɛtumi araise domestic revenue kakra deɛ na yɛmfa ani mu yɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya kwa no nyame anomaba
saa
yes
nti aban no anya sika kakra
I see na ɛnyɛ part of yɛmfa budget no amfa ani akyɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya saa ayɛnya bɛka
from where
from aban no anam ɔntuɔtuyɛ the digitalization a yɛpɛsiwuyɛ in taxes am I excess money
I see
outside the program yɛsɛ yɛbɛnya no so nti for instance electronic taxes
the e-levy
yes including
cha tax no
and yes nanu ya mpo na eba
say anya
I'm saying the nanu yi na eba that me can here start here from January eba amayen sika additional resources nti say ekwa anim a ebebo ayin so nti say sika na betime yi bi kwa de akɔhye akwan yi mu na nti na ma me ye woni da so say baby e kogina yin betime san pagem
you be going to the campaign proper very very soon. But one major question, leader, are you happy with the progress of Puntunyuma across Ashanti region? Now, Ebinumwa I stored kakra for a period of time now.
How can you be happy? You can't be happy.
Then what is happening?
Oh, suddenly I mean what can was me. Say IMF discussions no, ama yeniyama akwechi because say the match no. O mind be a government to government sika was omode banade. Even bilateral arrangements aye be a OGs be free source be especially be a banks be this kind of ba so IMF no nka say o man na tima say gina na so bi on the first sika no kwa o this kind of ba let us say over to sika na na no investor be any be yes
I see
so anything na ma yes and the IMF for no ye no on say na no yom ba yi omudi kan be ye your friend of staff level agreements SLA after reviewing woniema ni nyina no se bibia wi a na ya ma osa ina na chapter 1 omo wi a asa na yakoye executive approval
I see
so
yeah
na no ya mo buy I think we are now more or less having that the staff level agreements are mama plus say ya de so the friend executive approval no se ba wi a I feel no be release
second tranche
the tranche of another 600 million. What I say?
Yeah.
Sanity.
And on the bit with the Ashanti region projects ni bi kakra.
Kakra senya Ashanti region kwana also benefited from.
But leader you see anywhere.
No correct. Kakra and na fe so no. Senya me ken say scanner additional resources na my no. Domestic revenue no. And also if I say bit may improve. But you see, because say you need normal times on Zuntino. Say pay Sikano system no more. No, no, so I didn't because any pan so feel say my idea now when you are pressure changing our is careful me. In the home a balancing act.
Sure.
Say ni say woman yema emuye DMP. But about so in sika. Yes, answer a Benjamin was here and yen the what do you do? I hear Penny be panic couldn't was here tassing a Benjanza for.
But we are here to say more taxes about no cray.
What
did you 2 more?
Oh, Toby or why ye yen also ye share Papa bit me there for so.
Okay.
For instance, the Casa budget property rates.
Yes.
On say intimi make any significant headway wo ho ne nan kese benya na fi no ya nyesa kwan pa be no wo se de fa so a wo se yetimi je sa de no nti ho na aban no feel say kwan wo se fa so say the street system a wo se ye na my kwan to identify every property ɛwɔ district bi mu no near value property no yɛhu sɛ sei na ɔsɛ ɔtua
Akoma FM
na yɛsusu sɛ
87.9
ɛyɛ assemblies ne ntimi nye ne yie nti central government ne bɛɛ mu sɛ wɔba mu no wabɛyɛ ne yie na afei sika wɔbɛgyeɛ no yɛhu percentage ɛbɛkɔ assemblies no unfortunately
na no so mo yɛ demonstration ma a press conference ma na mo sɛ mo kan na mo feel say aban na sisi on dodo
unfortunately no
I have for instance for instance almost mo to ho no mo ko hwe mo account mo property rate by 1000 Ghana so 1000 Ghana dey Kyei Mensah so they were equally crying and host of other assemblies almost the property rate no to me as much as over 100,000 and plus but 1,000 1,500 maybe we cry less than 1,000 cedis
and na make am asem say I see it me hwe ne yie so it means that near say ko brewu na so em say we dey the pafin nam nti yen hwe say betima straight in yema up
okay
so na ehunu e kwampa e be fa so say it my yie now this country the last census you know actually yen say if fear wo ay oman no it's about 5.2 million
interesting
if fee e wo about 5.2 million